Well, minsan pag may misunderstanding, tapos minsan kasi pag nagkakapagsalita ng di maganda, ganun, umiyak sila. Ay.
Not me.
Not me.
Di ba, Nay, Tay? Kung nanonood man po kayo, not me naman, di ba?
Ako, sure na sure po ako dito.
Not me.
Not me. Never pa pong experience.
Not my kind of thrill.
Yes.
Not me.
Takot ako masapok eh. Of course.
Anong klaseng dance to? Not me.
Of course. Lagi naman.
Doesn't matter naman kung sino naman ang mag-a-ask, kung boy or girl. Basta kung gusto mong...
Iba na ngayon.
Had a broken heart. Psst, not me. Char, me. All the time. Di lang naman sa sa guy, sa love. Marami ng bagay.
Ako bihira naman. As in date, romantic date, bonding.
Bonding, kung bonding.
Of course. Yes po, like, as much as possible. Check lang, not naman to confirm something, but to check.
Wala lang, updated lang. Me.
Ako din, me.
Hated what Alden was wearing.
Oh my God, always! Ako never.
Always.
Never.
Always. Parang baliktad po yata yung tanong. Dapat, meron na ba ako nagustuhan na outfit ni Alden?
Wala. Wala.
Ano yung sa ayaw mo?
Skinny jeans!
Skinny jeans. Kasi, actually sa lahat ng lalaki, hindi ko, ewan ko, bakit? Paki-explain yung super skinny jeans. Bakit hindi na lang kayo mag-leggings o kaya mag-jeggings? Pang babae lang yun, guys. Pang lalaki lang yun. Pumorma kayo ng, as in lalaki, manly, gano'n. O ngayon lang yan, Alden. Texted first after a tampuhan.
Pag nagtatampuhan kasi kami, usually we mend it personal. We don't really, parang ayusin it through text.
Oo. Iko-call out na namin yun.
Yes.
Iko-confront na namin.
Yes.
Kasi alam mo na.
Para
Yes.
tapos na. Wala sa text. Not us.
Yes.
Yes.
Fortunately, yes.
Yes. Secret.
Secret.
Yes po. Too personal.
Sino ba pikon? Excuse me? Sure ka na dyan? Dami eh. Too many to mention
Too many
eh.
to mention.
Too many to mention yung akin eh.
Akin naman kasi hindi naman outrageous eh. More simple lang. Pero mas outrageous yung kanya. Kasi out of her way talaga eh.
Yes, the things we do for our